These types of product animations are trending nowadays. Today, I will show you how to make this type of animation video with AI for free. Search for the Reveals AI. Go to this link. Click here and select your product image. Now create an account with your email. I'm going with my Gmail. Here, you will see a lot of animations for different types of products. I'm selecting this for my product. Click to preview generations. Wait a moment. Now click to generate video. Now click here to download your video. Here is the result. If you want to remove the watermark from the video, go to the link in the description box. Click to upload video. Select the watermark area. Click to remove now. Click here to download the video. Here is the final result. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.